You're about to see a 2010 Jeep Patriot Sport 2.0. Weird noises coming from the engine. I thought it was the power steering pump. I replaced the power steering pump. It needed to be changed out anyways, but after I changed it, it still made some loud noises. And I figure maybe it's the pulleys. But take a listen to these noises. I couldn't figure it out. I even bought a stethoscope to be a doctor mechanic. I couldn't pinpoint the source of the noise. So I decided to try a slow-mo video. Still couldn't figure it out. Long story short, pulleys were installed, tensioner was installed, new belt, still made the same noises. Decided to take off the alternator, get it tested out good. Here's the printout. The alternator, if you've seen alternator videos on this vehicle, the alternator is hard to get off if you don't have a lot of room to play with. I don't have a lift or anything. I was using a jack, so I'm laying under the vehicle. But I said, since I had the alternator off already, I might as well just buy a brand new alternator. So I replaced the alternator, went home, put the vehicle back together. This is the result. Problem solved. The noise went away. Now I have a new alternator, I have a new belt and new pulleys. I hope somebody can benefit from this video, even though it doesn't really show much. I'm sure you're having the same trouble I was having. Good luck.